know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my.
Number 10. Beating Procrastination. Tips and Tricks Part 1. Step 1. Identifying the root cause of procrastination. Reflect on why you procrastinate and identify the root cause. Keep a journal or write down thoughts when procrastinating to identify patterns and triggers. Analyze your daily routine, responsibilities, and stresses that might be the reason behind procrastination. Identify the underlying emotional or psychological reasons for procrastination. Develop a plan to address the root cause of procrastination. Create a list of solutions and strategies that can help overcome the root cause. Prioritize the solutions and strategies that you think will be most effective. Set realistic and achievable goals for yourself. Examples of addressing the root cause. Reframe thoughts to focus on the potential benefits of completing a task instead of the potential consequences of not completing it. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable portions. Prioritize and tackle the most important tasks first. Eliminate distractions and create a productive environment. Use a timer or schedule to stay on track. Use positive self-talk and visualization techniques. Staying motivated by rewarding yourself after completing tasks. Seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist. Staying flexible and being open to trying new strategies. Implement the plan and track progress. Put the plan into action and start working on the tasks. Monitor your progress and track the changes. Adjust the plan as needed to ensure that it is working effectively. Use the understanding of the root cause as a foundation for the following steps to stay on track and work effectively. Continuously reflect on the root cause and progress. Use the understanding to prevent falling back into old patterns of procrastination. Use the understanding to improve time management and productivity in the long run. Step 2. Setting clear and achievable goals. Be specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve and what success looks like. Make it measurable. Set quantifiable benchmarks to track progress and measure success. Set a deadline. Give yourself a timeline to work towards and hold yourself accountable. Break it down. Break down your goal into smaller, manageable tasks that can be completed in a shorter time frame. Keep it realistic. Make sure your goals are attainable and aligned with your current resources and capabilities. Focus on a few. Prioritize and focus on a few key goals at a time, rather than trying to accomplish too many things at once. Write it down. Putting your goals in writing makes them more tangible and helps to keep you accountable. Share it. Share your goals with others, whether it be friends, family, or colleagues. This will not only hold you accountable, but will also help you to get support and guidance. Revisit and adjust. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. Your goals and priorities may change over time, so it is important to be flexible and adapt as needed. Celebrate successes. Reward yourself for reaching milestones or achieving your goals. This can help to keep you motivated and build momentum towards achieving your next goal. Learn from failures. Reflect on what didn't work and learn from your failures. This will help you to avoid similar mistakes in the future and make adjustments to your approach. Step 3. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Take short breaks during work hours to refresh your mind and boost productivity. Set clear boundaries with friends and family about when you are working and when you are available. Remove physical and digital clutter from your work area. Use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Set a time limit for each task and stick to it. Use the 80-20 rule to focus on the most important tasks that will give you the most significant results. Use the Pomodoro technique to break up your work into 25-minute intervals with short breaks in between. Take regular breaks to stretch and move your body, which can help to reduce stress and improve focus. Take the time to plan your day the night before or in the morning, This can help you to stay on track throughout the day. Use apps or tools to help you stay on track and manage your time like Rescue Time, Todoist, or Evernote. Set reminders for yourself to stay on track and stay on top of your tasks. Set a timer for the amount of time you want to work on a task. Create a schedule for your day or week and stick to it. Use apps or tools to help you stay on track and manage your time.
Step 4. Eliminating distractions and creating a productive environment. Develop a routine and stick to it. Having a set schedule can help you stay focused and motivated. Use the 2-minute rule to tackle small tasks immediately. This can help you avoid procrastination. Take regular breaks and use this time to rest and recharge. This can help to increase productivity and focus. Use a standing or treadmill desk, which can help to increase energy levels and reduce the risk of sedentary behavior. Remove unnecessary meetings and limit interruptions by closing your office door or using Do Not Disturb settings on your phone or computer. Use a task blocking software to block distracting websites or apps during working hours. Practice mindfulness and meditation, which can help to reduce stress and increase focus. Keep a clean and organized work environment, which can help to reduce stress and increase productivity. Use a whiteboard or corkboard to visually organize your tasks and priorities. Take advantage of natural light and fresh air by keeping windows open and working near them. Remove anything that distracts you from your work, like social media, phone notifications, etc. Create an environment that is conducive to productivity, for example, a clean and well-organized workspace. Use noise-canceling headphones, play background music or white noise to reduce external distractions. Step 5. Using a timer or a schedule to stay on track. Set a timer for specific tasks to help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Use a timer to break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks of time. Use a schedule to plan out your day and prioritize tasks based on importance and deadline. Use a reminder system to alert you when it's time to start or finish a task. Use a calendar to track your progress and deadlines for upcoming tasks and projects. Incorporate time blocking technique where you schedule certain times of the day for specific tasks. Use a Pomodoro technique to work in intervals of 25 minutes with short breaks in between to increase productivity. Keep in mind that schedules and timers are tools to help you stay on track, but it's also important to be flexible and adjust as needed. Step 6. Prioritizing and tackling the most important tasks first. Identify the most important tasks on your to-do list and prioritize them accordingly. Use a prioritization matrix, such as the Eisenhower matrix, to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Tackle the most urgent and important tasks first, as these are likely to have the greatest impact on your goals. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable chunks to make them more manageable. Set specific deadlines for completing each task and hold yourself accountable for meeting them. Use tools such as time tracking apps or the Pomodoro technique to help you stay on track and focused. Regularly review and adjust your priorities as needed to ensure that you are making progress towards your goals. Step 7. Using positive self-talk and visualization techniques. Use positive self-talk to boost your confidence and motivation. Speak to yourself in a positive and encouraging manner, and remind yourself of your abilities and past successes. Visualize yourself successfully completing tasks and achieving your goals. See yourself in your mind's eye as if you have already accomplished what you set out to do. Use affirmations to reinforce positive beliefs about yourself and your abilities. Repeat them to yourself throughout the day or write them down to remind yourself. Take a few minutes each day to relax and focus on your breathing. This can help calm your mind and reduce stress, making it easier to focus on the task at hand. Reward yourself for small wins and accomplishments along the way. This will help you stay motivated and maintain momentum. Remember to be kind and compassionate to yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself if things don't go as planned, and give yourself credit for the progress you have made. Step 8. Staying motivated by rewarding yourself after completing tasks. Set specific, measurable, and achievable goals for yourself. Having a clear idea of what you want to accomplish will help keep you motivated. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This will make it easier to track your progress and see how far you've come. Create a reward system for yourself. Decide on a small reward you will give yourself after completing each task or reaching a certain milestone. Use a calendar or to-do list to track your progress. Seeing your tasks marked off as completed can be a powerful motivator. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Recognize and acknowledge your accomplishments, and take time to appreciate the progress you have made. Stay positive, and remind yourself of the reasons why you started. When motivation flags, remind yourself of the end goal, and how it will benefit you. Remember that it's okay to take a break when needed. Don't burn out by overworking yourself. Take a step back and relax when needed. Step 9. Seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist. Surround yourself with supportive people who will encourage and motivate you. Reach out to friends and family members for help, advice, or just a listening ear. Join a support group or online community related to your goals or challenges. Consider working with a therapist or coach who can help you set goals, develop strategies, and overcome obstacles. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Remember that everyone needs support and encouragement at some point in their lives. Remember that the support doesn't have to come from only people. It can come from books, podcasts, videos, and other resources that can help you in your journey. Seek professional help if needed. If you are feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or depressed, there is no shame in seeking professional help. It's important to remember that change is a process and it takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But by setting goals, creating a plan, staying motivated, and seeking support when needed, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Step 10. Staying flexible and being open to trying new strategies. Recognize that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and be open to trying different strategies. Learn from your mistakes and don't be afraid to adjust your plans or try something new if what you're currently doing isn't working. Be willing to adapt and change as needed. Your goals and circumstances may change, and it's important to be flexible and adjust accordingly. Monitor your progress regularly, and make adjustments as needed. Don't be afraid to make changes, even if it's not what you originally planned. Keep an open mind and be willing to learn from others. Seek out new ideas and perspectives, and be open to trying new things. Remember that there is always more than one way to reach a goal. Be open to different paths and ways to achieve what you want. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time and it's normal to face setbacks and obstacles along the way. Staying flexible and open to trying new strategies will help you stay motivated and make progress towards your goals. Remember that change is a process and it takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But by staying flexible and open to new ideas, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching my channel EDU CRATE.